Hi guys, I'm Athena.
I'm Claire.
And today we are doing the slime challenge. And we can use a spinning wheel. I'll show you the spinning wheel. Look, a spinning wheel. And we can start the video on when we are spinning the wheel. Now, I will take something and hold the camera for me. Not the pointer, Claire.
Okay, that's okay.
That's my water bottle.
Okay.
And now we can start to make slime.
Yeah, I'm here. Don't worry, I'm here.
I'm very tall.
Don't worry, I'm here.
Don't worry, it's okay. You can hold it properly.
Yeah. Okay, that's okay.
Maybe not so good.
Yeah, maybe not.
I think like this is perfect.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, so the first thing, we have the glue already.
Yeah.
So now we will spin the wheel and see what we get. The
Yes.
only thing we can get is glue. The spinning wheel has glue. If you get glue, anything you don't want, you have to put the food coloring.
You have to get extra
I'll go first.
diamonds.
I don't want diamonds, so I got food coloring.
Okay, food color's not bad, I guess. I won't have everything don't want. And I'll get food coloring.
Food coloring. Claire can help me open this bag.
Okay, never mind. Just put your hand inside.
And then, guess where's the food coloring? The food coloring is in the bag.
Okay, don't worry.
Oh, this is my black slime.
Okay, black is not a very nice color.
I made it. This is food coloring. Oh, no, it's so bad. Ugh,
I think so.
snatch it out. I'm strong. Don't have more black slime.
I finally got the food coloring out.
So that was so funny.
Okay, we got some
We got some decorations, some glitter,
and we got
and
all
this is Play-Doh that is good for slime.
and we got food coloring, and we
Please
got
watch
color
it.
changing in case you just wanted the wrong color. What is this?
Color changing. This is the saline.
We got glitter. I think we don't have.
This is glitter.
I think we don't have glue.
This is glitter glue.
No, we don't have glitter. This glitter glue.
Yeah, but a small glitter glue. Purple
We got
color.
And this. We got this. Okay. Dina, now you choose a color.
I'm going to choose pink.
Okay, now me and Dina I'm gonna spin the wheel. I need
My
food
hand's dirty.
I want food coloring.
Oh no, my hand's dirty.
I want food coloring. I'm gonna choose
Yeah,
this.
you get it. Unless you don't want. So you got food coloring.
Okay. I don't like diamonds at all in my slime.
What? Why can't it come out?
Oops. Okay, that's a little too much. Is it?
I don't think this is open yet.
Well, it's not yellow, it's orange.
Claire, can you show me?
I love orange. Okay, look at mine.
I got my food coloring come out. Can I change one to purple?
Okay, is that purple? Or
Yes,
what
that
is
is stuck.
What about the different kind?
What about
different
my
stuff?
hand is dirty?
This one is blue. Let's see if I have another. This is also blue. This is yellow color. This is all another royal blue. Apple green. You have apple green. Okay, I'm gonna mix my orange.
My hand, and my hand is so dirty. My hand's so dirty.
Look at mine.
Okay, it's okay. I will clean up with
And later you.
soda later. It's fun.
Okay, I got orange. I love the orange of my insect food coloring.
Well, I like my color. The purple is very light.
I love my orange. It's medium.
Whoa.
This is
Look
exact.
at slime. Take a look.
This is my
Oh,
slime.
I don't know what kind of slime is this. Look.
But it's not slime. It's not done yet.
Yeah, we need activator.
Is this activator?
Yeah, this is liquid starch.
Okay.
This cup over here. Look. Whoa.
This is homemade liquid starch.
Yeah, that's how we make it. We can put cornstarch for cooking inside anything that it don't have anything to stuck it, and put water, smash the cornstarch, and it become liquid starch. If it doesn't work, comment down below and let us know.
And mix more.
Then, if we know what happened, we can tell you.
Okay, do it at the liquid starch now.
And also if we can, whatever. I want to spin the wheel for activate for liquid starch.
Liquid starch for Athena.
No, I got paint.
Okay, add more paint. You want to add paint?
But I do not want
Paint
to
is
add,
like count as food coloring. You want to add more?
and I don't want,
Yep,
so I
yep,
have
yep.
to get food coloring.
I don't want it.
But I do not want food coloring.
Me too. Okay, I guess I can put more food coloring as powder.
But it's the same color.
I know, but unless is it food coloring?
I have same color, but I do not want to make my color more ugly.
Me too. I guess I have this egg yellow color. Oh, I like egg yellow color. I like orange mixed with yellow. That's great.
Okay, we can prank Sumyadi in the next video if you make an egg slime. We ask Sumyadi, then we will call Sumyadi and say, Sumyadi, I have an egg slime for you.
Look at
We
mine.
need helping for kneading since it's so sticky. Then Sumyadi help us knead it. Then Sumyadi will get like. Ew, what kind of egg slime is this? Oh, no, it's like pasta, not egg. So sticky. That's going to be
Okay,
a
I
funny
mixed-
one.
this
We'll
is-
prank Sumyadi.
Just now I mixed orange with yellow and it came out this color.
I got it.
You can add like blue, purple.
But I always got the one I do not like.
We got royal blue.
I guess I got to go.
You got this.
Shaving cream.
Where's the shaving cream?
It's fun though.
I got food coloring again. I'm gonna add this powder.
Is this a new one? Yes. Claire, can you open the shaving cream for me?
Wait for a while.
Open the shaving
I'm
cream.
gonna add a powder.
Claire, can you help me with my shaving cream?
Wait a while. Okay. But this one's so heavy. Why? How come this one's so tight?
This one we used already, but only use a little.
It's so heavy.
Oh,
That means
that's
it's a new
okay.
one, right?
This is not new. We used it before. But it's
Yeah.
not so much time, and it's not so less time. Okay, just try to open.
My hand, my wrist almost broken already.
Claire, you can make your slime, and I will go. Okay.
But I haven't even had the liquid starch.
I'll go. Bye.
I haven't.
You can hear Claire talking. So you still have fun
How
with
do I
our
do it? How do I get liquid starch?
I don't know. You have to earn it.
Spin the
You
wheel.
have to get activator to put it.
No, I choose food coloring. I don't want it.
But you can't cheat.
I don't want.
Okay, fine. You can get food color.
I'm gonna add mine. Yellow. More yellow, the better.
The second one thing we use a whole box.
talking.
I got glitter.
My mom is talking.
Athena, I got glitter. So what I gotta do?
You got glitter? Oh, of course, put glitter if you like.
Yeah, are these all glitter?
Yeah,
I
this
more
is
like the green.
Yeah. You can bring it home, Claire.
It's hard to open, I guess.
Why is it so big?
I love this.
My shaving cream is so big.
Yeah, I think that's enough. I love green and orange, especially why, I don't know.
Oh, this purple color looks so pretty. Look at this amazing purple color.
I like my slime with this color.
I like my purple color. Look,
I
wow.
like orange and green glitter. I love it. I love how the green shines in it.
I love how light my purple color is.
I got shaving cream. I don't know how to make this.
No, I got glue. I'm so close to activator. Well, I have to add,
Just a silicone.
but I don't like to make my color more dark.
Okay, what on earth? It's making my slime lighter.
We only can do that a little bit time, but I didn't did that a lot of times to be a cheater. My mommy always did that, and I did.
Never mind, you can do that. It's not in the rules.
It is, but I didn't did that a lot of times, and mommy did.
But you can try it. It's your
If you don't know, I think it's because of we didn't take a video that time, take a YouTube channel that time. I just want to make my slime. No, I got diamonds again. I'm very bad at that. Then when can I get liquid starch?
Me too. I haven't even get liquid starch.
Claire, it's your turn.
Okay, I need liquid starch.
I almost get a question mark. This thing is too big to feed in.
I almost ran out of liquid starch. It's your turn.
I almost landed on it.
Why is it always the same?
Oh, I got liquid starch.
It's my turn. I got shaving cream. I just mixed my thing.
Sorry, Colette. I think if you take too much time to get liquid starch, you can't get liquid starch.
Athena, please. It's just a slime challenge, not a goon. It's not a goon challenge, so I must get. Even I didn't get it. Water counts like liquid starch, right?
No. Because it's not liquid starch.
Question mark.
Okay, get the liquid starch.
Not much.
Try to not waste so much. I need some too.
Yeah, later.
I need the liquid
How come my one's not working? Is it because of the material of the thing I'm mixing? It's because of the material that I'm mixing. That's
Well,
why.
after you use it, put it in the middle. So everyone. Colette is still closer than you. Why is my hand always longer? Oh, I accidentally put a lot.
It's just not working.
It's not working.
Look at mine watery.
My bowl is not enough.
Mine's too. Mine. How to mix it? How to mix this?
It's like too watery.
Mine's so watery too. Yeah, is it better when you mix in the bowl?
I think this time shaving cream help us. So I'm gonna try some shaving cream.
Yeah, me too. If shaving cream can make it more foam, that means it can make it more hard, right? Shaving cream. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Let's see what happens.
Oh, it's so bad.
Really?
It's like being pieces and pieces.
But my one's not pieces and pieces.
Look, Claire.
My one's not pieces and... Yes, it is pieces and pieces, I think. Wait, Athena, you feel mine. Mine's not big pieces and pieces. You see mine. Mine, when I add shaving cream, it's not like pieces and pieces.
Let me feel it.
What am I missing here?
It's so bad.
Mine's bad too. What am I missing here?
What? It's my slime.
I'll add some starch.
My slime is weird than yours, Claire.
Really? Look at mine.
It's watery. We are missing.
What about yours?
My slime's very bad.
What about these? Just mix them. I think it'll be fine. Just mix them. They're just melted.
Mix them.
Yeah, look, all the white are disappearing, right?
Yeah, but how about the slime? Stretchy.
Yeah, mine too. Mine's not stretchy at all. It's very liquidy and watery.
So you YouTuber, if you want the slime to become more good, not to mix so long, you can then just mix real fast, not like slow. And it's okay if it's splashing everywhere as long as you have a slime.
Dripped on my dress.
Can you hear me?
Mine dripped on my dress. I carry. Athena.
Where? Why?
Never mind. I can wash it when I go home. If this dress is washable, I'm fine.
Why? How do you know, Claire?
Because my auntie told me. Last time I made slime at home and I dripped a lot and it was washable. I'm fine.
Washable? Does washable means very easy to wash?
Yeah, it's washable. But how am I supposed to fix my slime? Even my dress is slimed.
I'm going to put my spoon inside. I want to put some Play-Dohs.
Can I have some too? But Athena, I scared if we put it in, it will become pieces and pieces.
No, it won't. Especially we didn't need it. Because if we need it, we can smash it with our little hands.
Yeah, I will smash it in my hands first. Smash it before we add it in.
No, you will smash it when you play it.
Okay, do I smash it first and then put it in?
And you open it for me.
You don't open it like this, Athena.
I know, but this way I can open it. Claire, good job, thanks.
It's so sticky.
Claire, take a little bit. I will take some.
I must broken this.
Claire, yeah, destroy it.
Destroy it? What do you mean by destroying it?
Claire, don't take all. Half. Do not take the biggest piece of half, Claire.
There? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Stretch it. Stretch it. Broken.
So cool.
But this is not our slime, Athena. This smells very bad, Athena.
But this one's very good. Okay, I'm going to roll it to a ball and I'm going to put it in.
Me too. Just roll the ball. Put it in.
I make the liquid starch purple.
I don't want my slime to be purple. I don't need any liquid starch. Okay, what happened to our slime? What happened? Does anyone have an extra spoon?
Of the slime is
Tina, what happened to your hand?
sticky.
Don't put it in my hands. Ah, my hands.
The texture of the slime is sticky.
Athena, can I have some wet wipes? I need wet wipes.
I need it too.
Get one. Athena, how did you pick up the clay?
It's sticky. Look at my hands.
Wait, I have to wash my hands.
Yeah.
Ew. Drop it. Drop you. Drop you. I don't like dry wipes. I like wet wipes.
Me too.
I'm gonna drop this and then use the wet wipes. Dry wipes are very useful, but not useful for when making slimes.
Yeah, because it will stick to them.
Okay. Look at my wipe. It's yellow.
My daddy is playing Animal Crossing again.
Look.
And Nintendo Switch.
Mine's yellow.
We also have Mario Party, that video. Remember, don't forget to subscribe it and watch it.
Look at my wet wipe. I gotta clean up my hands for all this mess.
It's making a mess.
I think that's stop splashing everywhere.
I know, it's really making a giant
I think
mess.
they're splashing everywhere again. I don't have to wash my hands. Look at my little wet wipes.
The grown-ups are going to be very mad. They're going to be very crazy.
I'm actually not belonging to Athena's family, but I am her cousin sister.
Cousin sister is still a family. It's
Cousin
just
sister is, we are not born by the same mother, but we are sisters.
I want to go to wash the
Me too. Look at my wet wipe. Ah.
and we are not very good at slime challenge. So hopefully you subscribe and we will try to do better next time. And since your slime is still not very good, you can you tell me which color is correct? I'm scared. I dropped my phone in.
This is mine.
This is mine. Athena's one. Athena means by me, though. And this is Claire's.
Mine was orange, mixed by yellow. It's unclear.
The cup. Can you see the cup?
The slime challenge did not actually really work, but as long as you subscribe and leave a thumbs up.
Okay. And make sure you let us know what will we call our swap. I will YouTube channel better Queen Athena's channel or what? Let us know, okay? In the comments below, and also let us know in the comments below whose slime is better. If you cannot see, then you can tell us. Claire's one is orange, my one is purple. Okay? Make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And now, bye-bye. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. And you know, what video is our next one? Our video, the next one is a prank on Sumyadi and Sophia. Miss Sophia is my mom. Sumyadi is my auntie. Now, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.